viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to discuss about also Coinbase Wallet. In this video, we are going to connect our Coinbase Wallet with Beam network. Yes, if you need to connect your wallet with Beam, so you must watch this video till end. This video is going to very informative for you. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So if you need to get more information about Coinbase Wallet, simple go to my YouTube channel and simple click on video portion. Then you will get all information about Coinbase Wallet, like how we can connect our wallet with decentralized exchanges, how we can connect our DAO applications, how we can connect our wallet with staking or yield farming websites. All information on these videos, simple visit my YouTube channel and get all information before going to start your using Coinbase wallet. Okay, first right top corner you can see here my Coinbase wallet icon shown in front of me. First I need to log in because I know I want to connect my wallet with Beam network. Now my wallet is connect open front of me. I have not any balance, but this video is only for education purpose. If you need to connect your Coinbase wallet with Beam, so must watch this video till end. So going to open CoinJacko. This is the official website of cryptocurrency wallets. For chart or information, you can see here coinjacko.com. Just simple open, and now you can see here the Bitcoin price is $42,853 this time, and Ethereum price is $2,200, and XRP price is only 61 cent. So I need to search Beam because I need to connect my Coinbase wallet with that network. So going to search Beam. There is top 50 not shown here. If I'm going to check the check 90 60, yes, you can see here, and the Beam this time rank is 69 number, 0.7% down, 3% down from in last week. So if I'm going to click on it for the get more information, you can see here MC is migrated to Beam with the 1 is equal to 100 conversion rate from their old content to the new one, and this some price is 0.019 cent. If I'm going to check the all-time high of this coin price, so you can see here all-time high is almost 0.02 cent, and 25% down from the all-time high. When the launch, the price is 0.004, but today price is 2 or 3 cent, 366% up from the launching. So Beam token can be traded on the centralized crypto exchanges, and you can also trade this token on these exchanges: Binance, Bitget, Bybit, Gate.io, and Bitrue. So let's suppose you want to connect your wallet. So there is the official website available here. You just simple click on it, and after that the website is open in front of me. You need to view the intro of Beam. As a DAO, our mission is over to revolution gaming by the empowering individual to play a role in the shaping in the future. Basically, gaming project. Beam is an open source blockchain specialized for the gaming. It is an ecosystem that specifies the complex. You can see here, there is all games icon shown here, and you can get more information about Beam from this website. Let's suppose you want to connect your wallet with this network, so you just simple right top corner click on it, so you can see here migrate to Beam. I'm going to click on migrate to Beam. It is time to new year. Migrate your MC2 to Beam. The Beam token will have the same utility as a MC but will convert on a 1 equal to 100 basic. So if you need to connect your wallet, so simple click on this option. You can see here the connect a wallet option is available here. I'm going to click on it, and after that there is wallets available here: Rainbow, Coinbase Wallet, MetaMask, and Wallet Connect. We have open our Coinbase wallet, so that I'm going to click on this option, Coinbase Wallet. After that, pop-ups open front of me for the connecting of my wallet with this website. So now I'm going to wait for this. When the browser is complete, then I will connect my wallet. Yes, you can see here. Before going to connect your wallet, you must let us see your wallet balance and activity. Let us send your request for the transaction. Fund will not leave your wallet until your execution or transactions. Okay, so I read all information before going to connect, and simple is that I just simple going to connect. Now I have connected my wallet. If you have a MC token in your wallet, so then your balance will be shown here. Or you can see here you do not have any MC token. If you have a MC token, then I can easily connect my wallet and easily convert my MC token to Beam token. Okay, thus you can use same scenario which is I told you in this video. This is my wallet address. I have not any balance. If I have balance, then my balance will be shown here, and also I can convert my 0MC to Beam token. And after you can use your conversion, you must disconnect your wallet from this website. Okay, viewers. So viewers, I hope you understand how can you connect your Coinbase wallet with Beam token or MC. If you need to convert your MC2 to Beam, so this video is very helpful for you. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Walls Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. And if you face any problem regarding deposit, withdrawal, find private key, you can comment below this video, or you can easily send to me mail my email address. Okay, we'll meet with you in the video. Bye bye.